So filtration or separation, which one should I be using? And how do both processes work? I'll explain everything, so stick around. Hi, I'm Sam Badger and I'm the sales manager for engineered products here at WS Tyler. Filtration and separation are often used interchangeably in the world of woven wire mesh, but there's key differences that could potentially alter the mesh specifications you're using or think you should be using. So what are the differences between filtration and separation, and how do these differences influence the way I use woven wire mesh? For over 150 years, WS Tyler has been driven by the concept that knowledge is power. We strive to educate those that use woven wire mesh so they can make the decisions needed to improve their process. So in this video, we'll go over what filtration is, what separation is, and how the two compare, and how each method affects the wire mesh specifications. Filtration is passing gas or liquid through filter media in an effort to remove specific particles or unwanted contaminants. Used in a wide range of industries and applications, filtration is primarily used to ensure the overall quality of the fluid meets the industry standards and customer expectations. Separation is the act of dividing the elements of a fluid based on their physical characteristics. In the world of woven wire mesh, this most commonly appears in the form of liquid-solid separation, where the solids are separated from a liquid to form a filter cake. So the filtration process relies on the use of a filter media like woven wire mesh to trap particles of a specific particle size range on the surface of the filter. That said, this process is used to purify the fluid. So rather than purifying the fluid, separation is designed to isolate certain aspects of the fluid, so they can be used to manufacture commercial products. While woven wire mesh filter cloth can be used, various methods like chromatography and centrifuges can be used to separate the components of a fluid. So basically, filtration describes projecting fluid through a filter in an effort to remove particles based on their size, and in contrast, separation describes using fluid characteristics, such as particle structure and a boiling point, to pinpoint and isolate specific aspects of the fluid. Just like with any woven wire application, the mesh specification you choose is critical to the success of both your filtration and separation operations. Neglecting to fine-tune your mesh specifications can dramatically affect the efficiency of your system, causing contaminants to pass into the final product or to lose material that would otherwise be used to form the filter cake. Because filtration depends on trapping a specific particle size range, the size of the pore of the wire mesh filter is critical. And specifically, you'll want a pore size smaller than the particles being filtered while being large enough to facilitate adequate throughput. Achieving that requires you to implement a mesh count and wire diameter that deliver filtration performance. The wire diameter you choose will also dictate how long the wire mesh can withstand the conditions of the application, as well as its ability to be cleaned and reused via methods like backflushing. The same principles apply to separation. However, you have to consider the extraction of the filter cake. A lot of times, this includes scraping the filter cake and removing it from the surface of the wire mesh filter, either by hand or with a mechanical mechanism. So it's for this reason you'll want to use a weave pattern with a smoother surface where the knuckles of the wire intersections are less intrusive. Not only will this make it easier to retrieve the filter cake from the filter surface, but it'll also prolong the lifespan of the tool or mechanism used to do so. But if you find a weave pattern with more prominent knuckles at the wire intersections that's more suitable for your needs, you can have your mesh calendared. Calendaring is the process where a sheet of wire mesh is fed between two rollers that subject the mesh to tremendous heat and pressure, flattening the knuckles of the mesh. This will leave you with a mesh solution with a smooth surface that will help facilitate the easy retrieval of filter cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or any of our many products, we do have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be an expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name's Sam Badger, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.